Hi, my name is Jason Anderson. I lead the South African Football Association's digital division. Today I'm going to try to give a brief overview of what SAFA Digital does, our products, the current state of the project, and where we're headed. The SAFA Digital team, as we're currently structured, with Inqaku as our sole technology services provider, has been in existence for about 18 months now, and we're quite frankly very proud of what we've been able to accomplish in that time. SAFA Digital is completely comprised of external resources, including myself. Both Inqaku and I are contracted directly to SAFA. Organizationally, we're pretty vertical though. I lead the project, but in reality, we're very integrated, and with 2 current and 1 future PhD full-time on the development team, I mostly just try to keep up. At its inception, SAFA Digital's mandate was simply to modernize SAFA's technology assets. This strategy evolved into a 5-step approach that we hope in a few years' time will transform the way football is played in South Africa and, maybe in a few more years, win the World Cup. But for now, we're focused on professionalize SAFA's online presence. This includes safa.net, social media, and our editorial content. Develop SAFA's stakeholder database. This is MYSAFA and includes the registration of players, officials, and coaches. We want to provide competitions business support, which includes setting fixtures, capturing results and match reports, and publishing logs to our public website. We want to develop talent ID analytics that allow us to identify and develop talent earlier and systematically in ways that SAFA has never been able to do before. And finally, we want to be able to commercialize, becoming financially self-sufficient as soon as possible. Even for a large FIFA member association like SAFA, these deliverables come with a significant price tag. SAFA Digital feels strongly, however, that when we achieve these objectives, we will have created a marketing platform that's without peer, certainly in South Africa and perhaps in all of Africa. When we have a captive audience of every player, parent, aunt, granny, girlfriend, everyone who cares about a person who plays amateur football in South Africa, commercial opportunities will abound. The real beating heart of SAFA Digital, however, is definitely MYSAFA. Users at every level of SAFA, down to the local football associations, can maintain club contacts, register players, officials and coaches, manage leagues and the registration windows, request and review player transfer clearances, print cards, set fixtures, capture results, all of which is of course visible to SAFA executive management and department heads, providing business intelligence that they've never had access to previously. The registration process in MYSAFA includes an interface to the South African Home Affairs database, which helps fight age and identity cheating and virtually eliminates data entry errors. MYSAFA detects if a player has previously been registered with another club and can route transfer requests to the correct club or local, regional, or provincial football association. Player photos, identity documents, registration forms, and any other required documentation like transfer clearances or medical certificates can all be uploaded and stored with the player profile. Similar features are available for coach and referees. Demand for the system is very strong, and our high rate of adoption has led to rapid growth in our registration numbers. We've seen 10 to 20% monthly growth so far in 2018, hitting 100,000 registered players in May. Once a registration is completed and approved, cards are submitted for central printing, another MYSAFA innovation that has many advantages over local desktop card printers. First and foremost, it offers a significant cost savings to the association. Our cards also carry a unique security device in the QR code. When this is scanned by the MYSAFA Verifier app, the player's details are displayed within the app, giving a match official, a coach, or even a parent much greater confidence in the authenticity of a player's card. Our competition module will probably never truly be complete, but the basics for league fixture setting, capturing scores, and updating logs have been in place since mid-2017. We currently have over 200 leagues using MYSAFA for competition support. MYSAFA is compliant with the FIFA Data Exchange standard and supports almost any imaginable competition format. Fixture setting logic is flexible and provides most of the features offered by larger enterprise systems like League Republic. Updating match results and generating logs is simple and intuitive. Providing a consistent, accurate platform for players, parents, coaches, and everyone involved in football in South Africa to keep up to date on the latest changes to fixtures and log standings may seem like a simple thing, but before MYSAFA, it was mainly left to dedicated volunteers and SAFA officials using any and all means of social media and offline communication to do the job. With the launch of our mobile-friendly public website, MYSAFA is filling this void in South Africa. Before, players, and especially youth league players' parents, often complained about not knowing where and when fixtures were being played each weekend, often not knowing where their team stood in the league log until after the season was over. MYSAFA Public aggregates all of SAFA's league data in one place. Regardless if a fan is looking for the result of their favorite club playing in the Women's Premier League, Men's Third Division, or a local under-11 girls league, it can all be found in one place. Facebook integration allowing users to flag favorite teams and receive push notifications whenever fixtures, results, or logs are updated will be added in 2018. Editorial content is generated by a diverse group of local freelance journalists and volunteers, further enriching the user experience.